You're in China, ready to buy your first coffee, hop on the subway, or pay for lunch. But your cash is refused, and your credit card is useless. You're facing a digital wall that locks you out of everyday life. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a total system shutdown. Welcome to the Middle Kingdom Code. We crack the code on complex Chinese systems, giving you clear, step-by-step guides. Today, we're solving your number one problem: how to set up Alipay as a foreigner in 2025. Follow these steps, and you'll be paying like a local in under 5 minutes. Let's begin. Step 1. Downloading the correct app. Open your app store. Search for Alipay. You must download the international version with this blue logo. Do not get Alipay HK or a regional variant. This is the only one that works reliably for foreigners. Step 2. Master the registration. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Here's the first key. Use your international mobile number. You will get an SMS code. Enter it. Next, you'll create a 6-digit payment password. This is not your login password. You will use this for every single transaction. Make it something secure and memorable. Step 3. The critical verification. This is the most important step that most people miss. Go to the Me tab, then click Identity Verification. You must select Foreigner. You will then be prompted to take a picture of your passport bio page. Follow the on-screen guide. This process can take a few minutes, but it is the key that unlocks everything. Step 4. Linking your foreign card. Once verified, go to Bank Cards. You can now add your foreign credit or debit card. Visa and Mastercard are the most reliable. Enter your details exactly as they are on your card. The app will make a small, temporary authorization charge to verify it's real. This will be refunded, and you're done. And just like that, the digital wall vanishes. You can buy coffee, travel anywhere, shop online, and split bills with friends. You are no longer a spectator. You are an active participant in the modern Chinese economy. This is how you go from being locked out to living unlocked. Let's recap. 1. Get the global Alipay app. 2. Register with your international number. 3. Verify your identity as a foreigner with your passport. 4. Link your foreign card. If this guide just removed a major source of stress for you, then we've done our job. Subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code and hit the bell. We publish new guides every week that help you navigate life in China with confidence, from visas to cultural codes. Let us be your guide. Now that you have Alipay, which app should you use for what? I break down the differences between Alipay and WeChat Pay in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.